Hello everybody, this is my Gurmit and we're going to get you a little update on my global door closer. Here we go. And yes, it does slam. The sweep speed is fast. It's because it's a little bit warm in here and the fluids are a little thin on the latch speed. The fluids are getting thin on the latch speed, on the sweep speed. The latch speed is fine. See, the latch, it's kind of affecting the latch too. We'll show you it from the outside. See? I'll show you that again. And we'll watch it again. One more time. You can comment in this video if you think it needs adjusting. Anyways, that'll be it.